Choosing the best self-inflating camping pad can be difficult as there are so many considerations, such as Coleman, Closetcher, Top Toes, Algear, Sea to Summit. We put together a list of the 20 best self-inflating camping pads to help you find the one you want. There are many products to choose from in self-inflating camping pads, each with different features, benefits, and prices, to help you make a good decision. I have done extensive research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best self-inflating camping pads, big name brands. After a lot of research, I discovered that these products are very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to Number 1. Self-inflating sleeping pad for camping. Waterproof fabric with 1.5 thick memory foam padding. The camping sleeping pad introduces environment-friendly material without any plastic or chemical smell. This inflatable sleeping pad helps you have a pleasant sleep at night by offering firm supporting. Up to 4-hour value provides ultimate insulation in cold weather. You will feel the ground with this foam sleeping pad. Do not be anxious about the thickness. 1.5 thick is just right to balance comfort and portability. What's more, we offer a limited lifetime warranty. Roll up the camping mat to deflate. The pillow attached to the camp pad can be used separately. The quick button makes pressure adjustable. Reclaim your time from tedious airblow stuff. Every camping sleep pad has a 48 hours leakage inspection. This allows protection as you use it as your sleeping bag pad, cot pad, camping bed or hammock pad. Snap's design allows. Number 2. Inflatable sleeping pad for camping. You can easily and quickly inflate the sleeping mat by stamping on or hand pressing the built-in air pump for a few minutes. And if you got an electric air pump, inflating the user-friendly pad could be easier. Please close the deflation valve and open the inflation valve while pumping up the sleeping pad. After inflation, the sleeping pad measures 78.7 times 26.7 times 3.9, 200 times 68 times 10 centimeters, bringing you extra thickness and width that support you with superior comfort wherever you sit. Its built-in pillow elevates your head to an ideal height. With the R value of 1.7, this inflating pad keeps you warm in cold evenings to help you sleep better in a cozy outdoor sleeping environment. Weighing only 22.4 pounds, 1.1 kilograms, the inflating sleeping pad sports its great portability that you can take it anywhere you go. It's compact when folded, so storing it becomes a snap, making it. Number 3. Top Toes self-inflating camping sleeping pad. This sleeping mat is made of ultra-tough 40D nylon coated with a waterproof TPU coating, providing extreme pressure bearing and durability. The edge of the camping mat is heat sealed, so you don't have to worry about air leaks or tears, even under harsh conditions. Top Toes' latest sleeping pad is wider and thicker than others on the market. Inflatable pads can be up to 6 inches thick once full of air, which is our biggest advantage. It can stay away from the hard ground and sleep comfortably in any sleeping position. The ultralight sleeping pad can be folded into a compact 10.6 x 4.7 size and weighs only 2.36 pounds, just enough to fit in your backpack without adding any burden to your trip. It is very suitable for backpacking, family camping, hiking, and for use at home for guests. The camping sleeping pad is equipped with a one-piece pillow that fits to the curve of the head and neck. You can Number 4. Slopingo sleeping pad for camping. Perfect sleeping pad to accompany you on your next backpacking trip. This ultralight and super portable sleeping pad will fit in any backpack and won't cause backaches from its weight. You'll wish you found this year ago. Very convenient to carry and comes with a sleek storage pouch. Want to sleep comfortably anywhere? Then you will love this sleeping pad. No need to suffer with a cheap, flimsy, and undersized outdoor sleeping pad. This quality portable camping pad is perfect, super sturdy and extremely comfortable, great for any sleep position. Made with the strongest outdoor grade material, this sleeping pad is perfect for any weather conditions. Able to accompany you on any type of adventure, this camping mattress pad inflates to an impressive size of 75 x 25 and will give you the comfort you need. This lightweight sleeping pad is made of super strong water. Number 5. Coleman self-inflating camping pad with pillow. Enjoy additional support and cushioning with the Coleman self-inflating camping pad with pillow. This camping sleeping pad features a comfy tufted design that adds an extra layer of padding between your sleeping bag and the ground. Equipped with a free flow valve, the sleeping pad self-inflates with no air pump needed. Simply roll it out and open the valve, and the pad will begin inflating. When it's time to pack up, reopen the valve and push the air out using the compression straps. Thanks to its durable, weather-resistant polyester shell, this camping sleeping pad can endure night after night of use. Soft tufted design provides an extra layer of padding between your sleeping bag and the ground. Inflatable sleeping pad provides extra cushioning on camping trips. Self-inflating design, free flow videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the price of the product, please see my description. For any problem, please comment below. Stay up to date with our great products, it makes your life so much easier.